If you have decided to do your FRM, which is Financial Risk Manager certification in 2025, then you are at the right video. But where do you need to start? Which book you want to start first and which attempt you should go for? May, August or November. We'll be covering each and every detail in this video. The strategy and roadmap I'll be giving you in this video have already helped 160 plus students clear their FRM exam in August 2024 attempt, and the same strategy has helped over 210 plus students clear in their May 2024 attempt. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Hello guys, this is Ganesh Nayak. I'm founder of Fintelligents, where we have helped thousands of students clear FRM, CFA, SCR, and similar professional exams. So if you have decided to take the FRM exam, now one of the biggest questions that might come to your mind, when should I give this exam? As it is conducted 3 times a year, this decision becomes very crucial. Let us say you want to start this journey on 1st of January 2025, and I would recommend in that case, the exam should be given in May 2025 or August 2025 attempt. But why not November? We'll also talk about that. If you plan to start now on January for the November attempt, my recommendation would be that is not a viable option. People misunderstand this. They think if they start early, they will have a better chance of clearing the exam. But that is not true in case of FRM. If you start too early, you'll have to revise more, which will eventually put pressure on your consistency. So instead of giving yourself an entire full year, my recommendation, give yourself a proper 6 to 8 months and go for the exam. If you're still thinking to go for November exam, then my recommendation, you can start your journey in May or April. In the meantime, you can also work for other certifications like Power BI, Excel, SQL, and Python. Let us talk about your May 2025 attempt. Considering you're going to be starting out your journey in January, so there are total 62 chapters to prepare for the exam. Your target should be to complete 20 chapters per month, effectively 5 chapters per week. Now let's break down how your week will look like. On weekdays, you'll focus on completing 5 chapters. That means watching their videos and reading the Kaplan's Wager book. On weekend, you should be practicing the question bank for those 5 chapters. In a way, you're covering both reading and solving for those 5 chapters in a week. If you're able to follow this rate, by the end of March, you'll be able to easily complete the entire 62 chapter syllabus, 20 chapter on an average per month. What you should be doing in the next month, that is April. For the April month, here's what your strategy should look like. You should be doing only revision. Now your target should be to do revision at least 3 times. How do you do it? Do your first full-fledged revision and attempt a sectional test. What is that? Talk-wise test. Do your second full revision and focus on solving important concept quizzes. And after your third revision, make sure that you go and solve few mocks before your exam. Your aim should be to solve all your mock papers by early May, and you have 3 to 4 days left before the exam to do your final revision and go for the exam. To make your life easy, we have created a weekly study plan with the exact chapters in your order, which you'll find in the description. Now let us talk about the August 2025 attempt. Considering you're going to be starting out in January 2025. Now over here we have 62 chapters. Now I would recommend you to go slow in the initial phase. So you can target roughly 10 chapters per month, which means 2 to 3 chapters per week. Just like May, here's how your week by week plan would look like. On a weekday basis, you can focus on completing 2 to 3 chapters, watching the videos and reading the Kaplan's Wager book. On weekend, revise those topics and solve the question bank for those 2 to 3 chapters properly. In this way, in a week, you'll be able to cover the reading, watching of the video and solving of the question for those 2 to 3 chapters properly. And if you follow this plan, by the end of June, you'll be easily able to complete your entire syllabus. What should be your strategy for July? July is all for revision. Your target should be to do again 3 revisions similar to what we talked about in May. First revision, solve your sectional test or book-wise test. Second revision, solve your important concept quizzes. And your third revision, which is nothing but your mock papers. I generally recommend 2 to 3 full-length mock papers. Now your target should be to complete all of this by the end of July, because the exam is generally on the 9th or 10th of August. So you will get at least 4-5 days properly to prepare and do your final revision and then go for the exam. For the August 2025 attempt, we have also attached the entire study plan for you in the description. I hope you like this video and this video is helping you in your preparation. If you have any queries, you can put it on the comment section and we'll try to reach out to you as soon as possible. Share this video with your friends who are planning to prepare for FRM exam in 2025, and thank you for watching again.